Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a PayPal business account. Now when you go to the PayPal sign up page, they'll ask you whether you want to use a personal account to sign up or you can use a business account to sign up. Choose business account and then click here on next. Then you need to fill in the basics. You need to tell them if this account will be used for a registered business. If yes, click yes, otherwise hit no, and then click on continue. So we'll continue with yes. And then you need to enter your legal business name, your legal first name, and legal last name. Okay? And your business phone number needs to be entered as well. Your business address, wherever your business is registered, enter that address right here. Toggle this one on, saying that you've read the terms and service. And then click on agree and create account. Then you need to describe your business. So choose your business type, whether it's an individual one, sole proprietorship, or is it a limited liability company, things like that. And then what kind of product or service it provides, enter those keywords. What are your monthly sales? Enter that, choose that from the drop down. If you have a website, put that in here, and then allow this if you want. Okay, and then hit here on continue. Then you need to fill in information, for example, your last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, your home address right here, and then make sure you submit. Then you'll have your business account created. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.